Just imagine you're in a room with no windows. You get food on time, but you cannot expect taste or varieties. You will have a bathroom which is as small as half a table. You will not know if it is day or night, and you will have to work in such an environment for weeks together, sometimes months. Can you? Of course not. No one can. But there are actually people who work and live in such situations. They are none other than submariners. In this video, we'll be seeing about the life of a submariner on board a submarine. If you ask someone who's working on a ship, that is a merchant navy, about their job, they'll say that at first they'll be very much excited, they'll be happy, they'll be satisfied that they are doing a different job and earning good, and after few days they'll feel so bored. Boredom is not something which could be discarded lightly. Even we, when we are at home with TV connections, internet connections, and people around us to talk to, we still get bored. Then think about a sailor who has no sight of land. There is very limited internet usage too, and there is no weekends also. Obviously, he'll get bored. If this is the case on a ship, then think about life at a submarine. Living underwater in a tube is not an easy task at all. A sailor at least could see sunlight, but a submariner could not see that too. Submarine force is a part of the Navy, and not all Navy personnel can become submariners. They have to go through a very tough course, both physically and mentally. Only after passing that, they will get on board a submarine. To make a living arrangement under the sea is very complicated. A submarine's design should be in a way to withstand underwater pressure and provide oxygen. And defense facilities like weapons, sonar system, navigation system also will be in a submarine. When you see the photos that I'm going to show you now, you might understand a submarine better.
लहरों के दामन को छोड़ गहराइयों से नाता जोड़ पनडुब्बियां तैर चली सन्नाटों की ओर रोशनी सूरज की जाए जहां थम हो थम कर वायु भी प्रदूषित कमजोर लहरों के दामन को छोड़ गहराइयों से नाता जोड़ पनडुब्बियां तैर चली सन्नाटों की ओर सतह के नीचे जो दे सागरों में जागरण सतह के नीचे जो सागरों में जागरण वज्र प्रहार जिनकी घातक और घनघोर लहरों के दामन को छोड़ गहराइयों से नाता जोड़ पनडुब्बियां तैर चली सन्नाटों की ओर रग रग में भरा जोश तूफानों को ले आगोश देखो नौसैनिक ये गर्व से सराबो लहरों के दामन को छोड़ गहराइयों से नाता जोड़ पनडुब्बियां तैर चली सन्नाटों की ओर सिंधु घोष सिंधु ध्वज सिंधु रत्न सिंधु राज सिंधु केसरी सिंधु कृति सिंधु विजय सिंधु शस्त्र शिशुमर शंकुशल की शंकुल चक्र अरिहंत
Sword at the shield. Run deep, run silent.
The submarine is filled to the brim with men and machinery. For approximately 90 crew members on a submarine, there are only 2 bathrooms. So every crew member gets only 2 to 3 minutes of bathroom time every day. Life on board a submarine begins with a very difficult training session that are not meant for the weak-hearted at all. I will tell about one such training. There will be a pressurized chamber like a tube which is 13 feet long, and the candidate must crawl through it and come out the other end of the tube. Even thinking about it makes me claustrophobic. Precious commodities in a submarine are fresh water and oxygen. As days go by, oxygen level decreases. Once it decreases below a certain level, the submarine will come back to the surface of the water gets fresh oxygen and dives inside. A conventional submarine surfaces once in 40 to 45 days to get in fresh oxygen. Life on board a submarine is very unnatural. 1. There are no days or nights on board a sub. Submariners are given special t-shirts and pants which will be changed every third day. Those are made of medically treated cotton and it can be disposed after 48 hours. Fresh water is so precious on a submarine that showering and shaving is the last priority. Even though there are facilities to convert seawater to fresh water, they will use that only as a very last resort. Hierarchy is strictly followed in all defense ships, but on board a sub, there is no officer-men discretion, except for when it comes to command and control. Everyone on board a submarine has to be fully prepared for any emergencies with equal responsibility. Realistically, there is only dark water around and no light. So, time is measured in hours. Every submariner follows 3 hours work, 6 hours rest pattern. As a result, one third of the submarine is always on ground. There is no entertainment. Subs have a TV room, but the crew will be working all the time and they won't have time for entertainment. Also, energy should be saved when you're on a sub. Majority of the space inside a sub is occupied by machinery, batteries, torpedoes, pantry and other wiring and machinery. We saw those in the photos. Very little space is left for movement and that is also occupied by access channels and bunkers. Exercise is impossible because of lack of space and due to low energy levels of the crew. This low energy level is caused by limited oxygen. A submariner goes to work the minute he steps inside one. Every day is a weekday till he reaches port again after few weeks. The bunkers where a sailor sleeps will be smaller than train seats. There will be noise always and a submariner should manage to sleep through that. No sunlight, no shower, no communication with the outside world, no entertainment and no week offs. This is the life of a submariner. Do you think you have what it takes to be a submariner? Do let us know in the comments.